Statues, jewels, roasts. 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 And the wind, open to mathematical illusions. Cigar button nose. 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 He loved a stenographer. The eyes replaced with immobile belly buttons. Mr. My God is an excellent journalist, stiff and aquatic. A dead hello floated in the air. What a sad season.
Now. The conversation is getting boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Very boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Naturally, isn't it?
Evidently, isn't it?
Boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Evidently, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Very boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Naturally, isn't it?
Evidently, isn't it?
Very boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Hello there. And stars of stars, where are you running?
I'm
I burn in the eyes of days, I swallow jewels, I sing in courtyards. Love doesn't have the heart, nor hunting horn to fish for hearts and hard-boiled eggs.
Hello there, man with the cry of a fat pearl. What do you eat?
More than 2 years passed, alas, since I started the hunt. But you see, you get used to your fatigue, and how death could be tempted to live. The death of the magnificent emperor proves it. The importance of things diminishes every day a little.
Hello there, man with wool chain mollusk wounds. Man with diverse pains and full pockets. High man to geography. Where are you from?
Art of apotheosis shelters the worms, but rain makes the clock of organized poetry tick. The banks filled with absorbent cotton. String man supported by ampoules like you and like the others. To the porcelain flowers, play us on the violin. Chastity, oh cherry tree. Death is short and baked in bitumen with a capital.
Hey there, mister.
Hey, 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 hey. The eye says to the mouth, open the mouth, for I can be.
Mandarin and white of stain, I kill myself that way.
In the ear, the vaccine of serious pearl flattened in mimosa.
Don't you find it very hot?
It is very hot in the summer.
Why, the beauty of your face is so phenomenal.
Mandarin and white of stain, I kill myself that way.
The watch hand shows the left ear, the right eye, the forehead, the eyebrow, the forehead, the eyebrow, the left ear, the left eye, the lips, the chin, the neck.
Clytemnestra, wife of a minister, looked out the window. The violoncellists were passing by in a coach of Chinese tea, biting the air and open-hearted caresses. You are beautiful, Clytemnestra. The crisping of your skin awakens the curiosity of our sexes. You are tender and calm like 2 meters of white silk. Clytemnestra, my teeth tremble. You are married. I am cold. I am scared. I am green. I am flower. I am gasometer. I am scared. You are married. My teeth tremble. When will you have the pleasure of watching the lower jaw of the revolver close in my chalk lungs without hope of a family?
Mandarin and white of stain, I kill myself that way.
Too sensitive to the sanctions of your taste, I have decided to turn off the faucet. The hot water and the cold water of my charm will no longer be able to divert the sweet sensations of your sweat. Love at heart, or love in short.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
Is narrow, but his foot is large. He could easily drum with his toes on his oval belly, which has already served as a ball at some rugby games. He is not a being, because he is composed of pieces. Simple men are manifested by a house. Important men by a monument.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
Where, how much, why are the monuments? For example, justice. What beautiful regular functioning, practically a nervous tick or a religion.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
The lake soaked 2 times in the sky, in the bearded sky, one found a pretty morning. The object was fleeing between nostrils. Acidulous taste of feeble electric currents This taste that, at the entrances of salt mines, opens to zinc, to rubber, to fabric, weightless and grimy. One evening, by searching the evening, one found at the bottom a tiny little evening. Its name was Good Evening.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
Attention, cried the hero. The two smoking paths of the enemy houses knotted together a tie, and it lifted to the luminous navel.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
Distractedly, the thief turned into a suitcase. The physicist will therefore be able to say that it was the suitcase that stole the thief. The waltz walked. It's always that which no longer walked, it waltzed, and the lovers would tear pieces from it as it passed. To old walls, posters aren't valid.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
One would catch colds for one's tick-tock. For the tick-tock of one's life, a little death. It's called continuity.
But yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes, but yes.
Never Fisher made more murdered shadows than under the bridges of Paris. But all of a sudden, it sounded new under the stamp of a wink of an eye, the tears muddled in ciphered and obscure elevators.
He flattens like a silver paper stain. And some drops, some memories, some leaves certified the cruelty of a fervent and real fauna. Wind curtain of void shakes. Its belly is full of foreign money. The void drinks the void. Air has arrived with its blue eyes. That is why it always takes aspirin. Once a day, we abort our obscurities.
We have time. Alas, we no longer lack the time. Time wears mustaches like everybody, even women and shaved Americans. Time is tight. The eye is bad, but it isn't yet in the miser's view.
Isn't it?
The conversation is pretty boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Very boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Naturally, isn't it?
Evidently, isn't it?
Boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Evidently, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Very boring, isn't it?
Yes, isn't it?
Naturally, isn't it?
Boring, isn't it?
Evidently. My God.
We're going to the races today.
Don't forget the camera.
Well, hello.
A mechanical battalion of wrists, of tense hands.
Oh, yeah. Yep, yep. Clytemnestra wins!
What? You didn't know Clytemnestra was a racehorse.
Jostling for love leads to everything. Beware, dear friends, the season is propitious. The season is satisfactory. It bites the words. It stretches the silences into accordions. Serpents are on the horizon in their own eyelids. And what do we do with the eye bells? Asked the intermediary.
Seekers and the curious, replied the ear. She finishes the nerves of others. She inflates.
Man in a wood crisis, light body in major laugh.
Belts of dream mills touch the woolen lower jaw of our carnivorous plants.
Yes, I know the hair dreams.
The dreams of angels.
The dreams of fabric to paper watches.
The uppercase dreams, the solemnity of the inaugurations.
The angels in helicopters.
Yes, I know.
Angels of conversation.
Yes, I know.
The angels in cushions.
Yes, I know.
The angels in ice.
Yes, I know.
The angels of the Middle Ages.
Yes, I know.
The ice is broken, said our fathers to our mothers, in the first spring of their existence, which was honorable and gracious.
This is how the hour understands the hour. The admiral his fleet of words. Winter, child, palm of my hand.
I won a lot of money.
Thank you, not bad.
I swim in the basin. I have necklaces of red fish.
Thank you, not bad.
I have an American haircut.
Thank you, not bad.
Yes, I've already seen it in New York.
Thank you, not bad.
I don't understand any of the sounds of the next war.
Thank you, not bad.
And I lose weight every day.
Thank you, not bad.
A young man on a bicycle followed me in the street.
Thank you, not bad.
I'm embarking next Monday.
Thank you, not bad.
Clytemnestra, the wind blows. The wind blows on the quays of garnished bells. Turn your back, cut the wind. Your eyes are pebbles because they don't see the rain or the cold. Clytemnestra, have you felt the horrors of war? Do you know how to glide over the sweetness of my language? Don't you breathe the same air as me? Don't we speak the same language? In what incalculable metals are your fingers of misfortune encrusted? What music filtered by that mysterious curtain that prevents my words from penetrating the wax of your brain? Certainly, the stones gnaw at you, the bones hit your muscles, but language cut into random slices will never release the stream in you that employs white means.
Do you know the calendars of birds?
What?
365 birds. Every day, a bird goes away. Every hour, a feather falls. Every 2 hours, a poem is written. It's cut up with scissors.
I've already seen it in New York.
What a philosopher. What a poet. I like poetry.
But then do you like cold drinks? Or undulating landscapes like dancer's hair? Or ancient cities? Or the occult sciences?
I've seen all that.
My lung is made of lung and not cardboard, if you would like to know.
Goodness.
I beg you, sir.
Vertebrate Easter and military cages. The painter doesn't interest me much. I like dull landscapes and wide gallops.
A little more of life there on the stage?
This play is charming, but you can't understand it at all. But maybe there isn't anything to understand. Thinking neck from where the whip will come out. The whip will be a forget-me-not. The forget-me-not, a living inkwell. The inkwell will dress the doll.
Your daughter is charming.
You are very kind.
Are you interested in sports?
Yes, that method of communication is quite convenient.
You know, I have a garage.
Thank you very much.
It's spring, it's spring.
I tell you it's 2 meters.
I tell you it's 3 meters.
I tell you it's 4 meters.
I tell you it's 5 meters.
I tell you it's 6 meters.
I tell you it's 7 meters.
I tell you it's 8 meters.
I tell you it's 9 meters.
I tell you it's 10 meters.
I tell you it's 11 meters.
I tell you it's 12 meters.
I tell you it's 13 meters.
I tell you it's 14
I
meters.
tell you it's 15 meters.
I tell you it's 16 meters.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Love, sport, or requisition. Summary of the love directories. Love accumulated over centuries of weights and numbers with its breast of leather and crystal. God is a nervous tick of the inexact dunes, nervous and agile, leafing through the countries and pockets of spectators. The hairstyle of death, thrown to the scourge outside. Friendship, wrongly juxtaposed in delicacy.
I tell you that love is 17 meters.
I tell you that it's 18 meters.
I tell you it's 19 meters.
I tell you it's 20 meters.
I tell you it's 21 meters.
I tell you it's 22 meters.
I tell you it's 23 meters.
I tell you it's 24 meters.
I tell you it's 25 meters.
I tell you it's 26 meters.
I tell you it's 27 meters.
I tell you it's 28 meters.
I tell you it's 29 meters.
You have a very pretty head. You should make a sculpture of it. You should throw a big party to understand and love nature and jab forks into the sculpture. The ventilator grasses flatter the beautiful days.
Fire! Fire! I believe Clytemnestra is burning!
The sky is cloudy, my finger is open, sewing machine the views. The river is open, the brain is cloudy, sewing machine the views.
We'll make a beautiful fabric for the crystal dress with it.
You want to say, despair gives you explanations of its exchange rates.
No, I don't want to say anything. I put what I had to say in the hat box a long time ago.
Everybody knows you. Carpets of lost ideas, crystallization.
Everybody knows you. Formula of songs, step school of algebra, number of insomnia, triple skin mechanics.
Everybody doesn't know me. I'm alone in my closet, and the mirror is empty when I look at myself. I also like birds at the tips of lit cigarettes. Cats, all animals, and all vegetables. I like cats, birds, animals, and vegetables, which are the projection of Clytemnestra in the heart, bed sheets, vases, and prairies. I like hay. I like the young man who makes such tender declarations, and whose menix is torn in the sun. Dreams refreshing the twilight of stretched leather.
Imagine, dear friend, I don't love you anymore.
But of whom are you speaking?
I'm talking about the one I love a lot.
I too have lost an illusion. The favored horse of my stable has lost its strength.
Well, my dear, his life will be renewed.
You are bitter.
Clytemnestra, you are beautiful. I love you with diver's clarity, his algae. Clytemnestra, my blood trembles, your eyes are blue. Why don't you hear, Clytemnestra, the quiet laughter of my cells waiting for you, the violence of my breath, the sweet childish possibilities that love has in store for us? Are you perhaps waiting for other sensational revelations about my temperament?
Big, cruel,
Heavy,
down,
black,
superficial,
odorless,
harmonious,
smooth,
stiff,
mandarin, and white of Spain. I kill myself. Madeline.
Clytemnestra. Racehorse. $3,000. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Sold! It will end with a beautiful wedding.
It will end with a beautiful wedding.
It will end with a beautiful wedding. It will end with a beautiful wedding.
It will end with a beautiful wedding.
It will end with a beautiful wedding.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Security? Security?
What'd you think?
So relaxed.
There's a, if you have the time, there's a thespian production that's 30 minutes, and we're trying to do the opposite. It's really terrible.
Oh, okay, got it.
Oh, yeah. They ham it the fuck up, and it doesn't work. Anything you like, dislike?
At your dance school.
Thank you. It's not something I do very often.
It's like, I just like feel